Hello, I'm David Siegel, President of Westgate Resorts. I'd personally like to thank you for staying with us. If you have any questions or requests, please call my guest services department. They'll be happy to take care of all of your needs. I'm sure during your stay, you're planning on visiting both of Universal Orlando's two amazing theme parks, Universal Studios and Universal's Islands of Adventure. So I'd like to give you a sneak peek at all the fun and excitement in store for you.
There's only one place in Orlando that takes the excitement of the movies, television, and all your favorite stories and converts it into high-speed thrills, 3D action, and unparalleled adventure. It's Universal Orlando, home to the world's two most amazing theme parks, Universal Studios, the only place on Earth where you can ride the movies, and Universal's Islands of Adventure, where you'll experience the most innovative thrills ever created. Plus, you'll find the best in live music, dining, dancing, shopping, movies, and more at Universal City Walk, Orlando's hottest spot for entertainment. It's all at Universal Orlando, where every day is a vacation from the ordinary. With two separate theme parks, you can't do it all in one day. So for the best value, you'll want to buy a Universal Stay and Play Pass, good for your entire stay in Orlando. You'll enjoy admission to both Universal Orlando theme parks. You can even visit both parks on the same day. That's a whole week of fun and excitement at Orlando's two most spectacular theme parks, plus City Walk, where you'll enjoy a week of all club access. You can also purchase a Universal Stay and Play Plus Pass, which adds Wet n Wild, Orlando's most popular water park, to your Universal Orlando fun. It's not available at the parks. You can only buy it here at the resort lobby. So get your Universal Stay and Play Pass today. Let's begin our look at Universal Orlando with the park that started it all, Universal Studios, the #1 movie studio theme park in the world. The largest working film and TV studio outside of Hollywood takes you beyond the screen with an incredible array of rides, shows, movie sets, and attractions that put you right into your favorite scenes from your favorite motion pictures. All quiet on the set? Then let's roll 'em! On the brand new Jimmy Neutron's Nicktoon Blast, you'll board a rocket and blast off as Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius, takes you on a wild chase through the worlds of your favorite Nicktoons. Through the miracle of Ogre Vision, join Shrek, Donkey, and Princess Fiona on an all-new 4D adventure that picks up where the movie Shrek left off. It's Shrek 4D. It's up to you to save the galaxy on Men in Black Alien Attack, an amazing interactive ride where your score determines the ending. Then, join forces with the Terminator in Terminator 2 3D, an incredible mix of live action, stunts, special effects, and 3D film. Rocket from the future to the past on the greatest ride of all time, Back to the Future the Ride. Hold on tight as movie special effects become all too real in Twister, Ride It Out. Come face to face with 3 tons of great white fury in Jaws. And withstand a quake measuring 8.3 on the Richter scale in Earthquake. Watch out for the two-fisted smash-em-up action of the Wild, Wild, Wild West Stunt Show. Learn what goes into and oozes out of your favorite movie monsters at the Universal Horror Makeup Show. See your favorite Animal Planet TV shows come to life in the outrageous Animal Planet Live. You can even see someone get green slime at Nickelodeon Studios Game Lab. And be sure to visit Woody Woodpecker's Kid Zone. Here you can take a ride on the nuttiest contraption you've ever seen, Woody Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster. Prepare to get wet and have a ball in the delightful Curious George Goes to Town play area. Join in the sing-along, clap-along show A Day in the Park with Barney and fly across the stars on E.T. Adventure. Don't forget to take advantage of Universal Express Ride Access, which lets you bypass the regular lines at your favorite rides and attractions. Located right next door to Universal Studios is the most technologically advanced theme park ever created, Universal's Islands of Adventure. Here, you'll take an unforgettable journey through 5 uniquely themed islands, where the world's most cutting-edge rides, shows, and attractions challenge all your senses. Enter a gleaming city where the never-ending battle between good and evil rages all around you. Marvel's Superhero Island. You'll swing through the streets on the mind-boggling, eye-popping, first-of-its-kind 3D thrill ride, The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man. Then hold on tight as the incredible Hulk coaster launches you from 0 to 40 in 2 seconds flat, sending you on a high-speed roller coaster rampage. Leave gravity behind on the diabolical Dr. Doom's Fearfall, which takes terror to new heights. And help the X-Men superhero Storm summon the powers of nature in the whirling, twirling Storm Force Acceleratron. Visit the wonderfully wacky world of your favorite cartoon and comic strip characters at Toon Lagoon. Head down Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls, a wild and wet flume ride with a dynamite ending. You'll need all your spinach, not to mention a towel, when you board the rip-roaring river raft ride, Popeye and Pluto's Bilge Rat Barges. The Sunday Funnies were never this much fun. It's an adventure 65 million years in the making. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Here, you'll take a once-in-a-lifetime cruise through primeval dinosaur habitats on the Jurassic Park River Adventure. But look out, there's a T-Rex on the loose. Unearth the mysteries of the prehistoric past in the Jurassic Park Discovery Center. You might even catch a baby raptor hatching. And let the kids explore amber mines, climb dinosaur nets, and more at Camp Jurassic. Make your way through the mists of time to an ageless land of myth and legend, the Lost Continent. Choose your fate, fire or ice, as you challenge dueling dragons, the world's first inverted dueling roller coasters. It's 2 completely different rides, passing within 12 inches of each other. After defeating the dragons, witness death-defying feats and heart-stopping action as you cheer on the heroes of the 8th voyage of Sinbad's stunt show. And dodge fireballs and explosions of water as ancient gods battle beneath the sea in the special effects show Poseidon's Fury. Step right into the pages of Dr. Seuss's beloved children's books at Suess Landing, where all the stories and characters you grew up with come to life. Take a spin through the mischievous world of the Cat in the Hat. Merrily go round and round on the unusual animals of the carousel. Fly 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish through fountains that squirt in time to a musical rhyme. You'll find some of the strangest creatures the world has ever seen in the interactive play area If I Ran the Zoo. When it comes to special events, nobody throws a celebration like Universal Orlando. Every spring, you can party, party, party at the biggest blowout this side of the Big Easy. It's Mardi Gras at Universal Studios. Get beads by the handful, sizzling Cajun and Creole cuisine, and some of the biggest names in music live in concert. Then, every October, Islands of Adventure comes alive with The Walking Dead. It's Halloween Horror Nights, the world's biggest and scariest month-long Halloween event, featuring terrifying haunted houses and hundreds of mutants, maniacs, and monsters. Don't say we didn't warn you. In December, come celebrate the Hula Days. It's the annual Whoville Jubilation of Grinchmas at Islands of Adventure. While next door at Universal Studios, you'll enjoy an exciting one-of-a-kind holiday event as only Universal can create. And just when you thought we couldn't cram any more excitement into a single year, Universal Orlando rings in the new year with a huge New Year's Eve celebration. From outstanding concerts to annual holiday events, Universal Orlando offers excitement every month of the year. Don't forget, for your best value, you'll want to buy a Universal Stay and Play Pass, good for your entire stay in Orlando. You'll enjoy same-day admission to both Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. That's a whole week of fun and excitement at Orlando's 2 most spectacular theme parks, and all club access at City Walk. Or you can purchase a Universal Stay and Play Plus Pass, which includes Wet n Wild, Orlando's most popular water park. The Universal Stay and Play Pass is not available at the parks. You can only buy it here in the resort lobby, so get yours today. If you think the days at Universal Orlando are exciting, just wait until the sun goes down. Because after a fun-filled day at the theme parks, you can kick back, unwind, or party all night long at Universal City Walk, Orlando's hottest spot for entertainment. At City Walk, you'll find the best of the best in live music, casual and fine dining, dancing, shopping, movies, and more. There's Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville, where you can sip the ultimate margarita and enjoy your cheeseburger in paradise with live music every night. Then come and get your fill of reggae man at Bob Marley, A Tribute to Freedom, where you'll enjoy live reggae and authentic Jamaican cuisine. Rev up your engines for the 200-mile-per-hour thrills of the NASCAR Cafe. Prepare to kick it up a notch at Emerald's Restaurant Orlando, where award-winning cooking show host Emerald Lagasse and his chefs are creating the finest culinary masterpieces in Orlando. Relive the glory days of Hitsville, USA at the Motown Cafe. It's Mardi Gras 365 days a year at Pat O'Brien's, an exact replica of the famed New Orleans night spot. The vibe is cool, but the music is hot at City Jazz, where every night you'll hear the latest in jazz, funk, blues, rock, and soul. At The Groove, you can dance all night. It's the coolest dance club in the universe. Grab a burger and a side order of rock and roll history at the world's largest Hard Rock Cafe. And right next door, you can catch all the biggest names in concert at Hard Rock Live, Orlando's premier performance venue. If you're ready for a fiesta, spice it up at Latin Quarter. Make a fast break to the world's first NBA city and treat yourself to the delightful cuisine of Pasta More, a colorful family-style Italian eatery. You'll find it all at Universal City Walk. It's two amazing theme parks, Universal Studios and Universal's Islands of Adventure, plus the non-stop excitement of Universal City Walk, all in one convenient location. Universal Orlando Resort, where every day is a vacation from the ordinary.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to take it home and share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't yet purchased your tickets to Universal Orlando's theme parks, stop by the attraction ticket desk conveniently located in the lobby. Remember, if you're ready to plan your future vacations or know somebody who would love the vacation with us, please give us a call. From all of us at Westgate Resorts, thank you and have a wonderful stay in Orlando.